Chinese energetics, right? If you see the description that was on the invite or flyer. So really this is about your body. If it goes into the into a centering process, which is in the center of your body. All right, so if you can center your body, then your body goes into natural regeneration. So what I'm here tonight is to introduce you guys to this centering process. So by you centering your body, a lot of your physical and your non-physical stress can be alleviated. So what I did was really, everybody can do this. You just tune into the energies of the other person, and you're actually helping the other person center themselves. And when they center themselves, that's how their pain can be relaxed or relieved. So that's what I was doing. I was going to a centering process. So if I could go into more details, I'm just going to get started, kind of teach you guys some of the basics. So already kind of went through some of the basics now, so just to repeat and just bear with it. So what I'm going to do is just have you guys do is think about the center of your body, all right? And can I have somebody for a demonstration subject so I could demonstrate? Can you come up, or can one of you guys come up? Okay.
I'm not really just the occasion.
That's fine. You can work. So think about this as the center of your body. All right, the straight line. All right, so that's the midline. All right. So what I want you guys to do is just tune into the center of your body. So what I want you to do is just tune into the center of your body. Okay, and just notice what that feels like. All right. Oh, come on in. All right. Yeah, have a seat. And, we're just getting started with the exercise. So what I'm doing is actually doing a demonstration here, and what I'm having everybody do is just to tune into the center of your body. All right. So from martial arts practices, the center of your body is where you want to be. It's center is a place of neutrality or centerness. Neutrality really is a space of being unconditional and no judgments, no attachments. So when you are centered, your body actually works at an optimal space. So what I'm having everybody do is to just tune into the center of your body, okay? And now what I want you to do is, now that you feel what the center, everybody feels what the center feels like, right? Okay? You got it? Okay. So the next thing I want you to do is just think about your right shoulder, okay? Okay, so compare the center to your right shoulder, okay? Notice if that feels different than the center, okay? So how's everybody do? Does it feel different? Okay. All right, now put your awareness back to the center again, and think about your left shoulder, okay? So again, compare. Does your left shoulder feel different than the center of your body? Okay? So now, again, what I want you guys to do is to now compare your two shoulders, right? And ask yourself the question, which shoulder feels more like the center of your body? So, for you, which shoulder feels more like the center of your body? Yeah, just compare, right? You've compared your shoulders. Which one feels more like the center of your body?
My right shoulder.
Your right shoulder? Okay. How about
Right one.
your right one? You?
I think right.
Right? Okay.
Right.
Right? Right.
Right. Left.
Okay, that's fine. Because everybody, for people that are right-handed, generally the right is stronger than the left. Okay, not all the time, but that's how it feels. So what I want you guys to do now, what we're doing is doing a centering process. So we're just comparing your shoulders and feel which one is stronger than the other. So what I want you to do is think about the shoulder that actually feels less like the center, that's further away from the center. Feel that shoulder and then shift your awareness to the center of your body. Okay? So think about your left shoulder and shift your awareness to the center. And for all of you guys, and for you, think about your right shoulder and shift it to the center. Okay? Okay, so after you do it now, compare the two shoulders now. Does it feel more even? All right. And for you?
Possible.
Possible for you? Okay. So it feels the same.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. And for you?
No,
It's still the right
I
still
really hurt
feels.
my left shoulder today.
Oh, okay. So that means we have a little bit more work to do. Okay. Your shoulder?
Yeah, it feels more
Okay.
relaxed.
How's your shoulder? How's your
My
left?
left feels more middle now.
Okay, good. For you? Your right?
It still feels different, I guess.
Okay. That's fine. What we're doing is that when you shift your awareness to the center, what that is a energetic correction. So by correcting it, you are actually putting yourself in a state of regeneration. Okay. So just because you did it and you didn't quite get there, like even, it doesn't mean that it didn't work. It just means that there's some more work to do. Okay. So some people, when I work with people, some people can feel the pain or whatever dissipate just right away, and some people might take me, a little bit longer session before whatever they're trying to improve goes away. Okay, so let's do a different part of your body just so you guys get the feel of how this works. So what I'm going to do is have you think about your right knee, all right, and compare that to the center of your body. All right, so just be aware of your right knee, compare that to the center of your body, and notice how that feels. Okay? And now I want you to think about your left knee, compare that to the center of your body, and ask yourself, does that feel different? Okay? So the next thing I want you guys to do is compare the two now. So which one feels more like the center of your body? Okay? So which knee for you feels more like the center of your body?
Well, I've been cycling like a madman for like 6 months, and they both feel like
Stand
Okay.
up.
Okay. So for him, both of them his knees are fine. Okay. So how about you?
My knees are pretty pure.
Pretty even already?
Pretty even.
You?
I am too.
Okay.
My left is off.
The left is off.
Mhm.
Okay. So what you do is take your left knee
Mhm.
and then shift your awareness to the center. Just do a correction.
Am I too
No, just
tired to bring it?
just-
Just think about it.
put your awareness there and then shift it to the center. Okay, so notice if it feels more even now.
I'm relaxed.
Good. All right. How about you, Diane?
Just a little bit on my left knee.
Just a little bit in that left. Okay, so think about your left and shift the awareness to the middle, the center of your body. Okay. Does that feel different now?
Just kind of what she said, just a little more relaxed.
Good. Heather?
My right knee felt more centered, so I did what you told her to do, and now there's buzzing things happening in my left knee.
Good. Good. You're improving. All right, so you did an energetic correction. So
We're about the same.
it feels even now.
Feels like
Okay.
even.